कैसे बात कर रहे हैं? ये जो बीजेपी जो आजकल तृणमूल जय श्री राम को प्रशंसा कर रहे हैं, जो बीजेपी दारू पी के जय श्री राम देता है, लेकिन तेरे को तू तो जय श्री राम नहीं कहता, लेकिन जय श्री राम कहना है। कंपटीशन करो जय श्री राम कहे कि कौन अच्छा है, कौन राम के तरह राज दे रहा है। लेकिन एक तुम्हारा जो ब्लू व्हेल बंधु है ममता बनर्जी, इसको तुमने साबित कर रखा है। तुम्हारा गवर्नमेंट से रिपोर्ट जाते तुम इसको न्यूज करते, मोदी के बाप इसमें नहीं रुक सकता। मोदी नव निकम्मा गद्दार और अराजक पैदा का पुरुष मेरुदंडहीन सुधीर नंदन चुड़मारणी को पार्टी से निकालना है, क्योंकि भारतीय सज्जन सौत के गणहत्या के दाय चुधीर बच्चा को लेना पड़ेगा। ये चुधीर बच्चा दिल्ली में हिंदू लोगों को एगेंस्ट में दंगा करवाया। डोनाल्ड ट्रंप के टाइम में ये लोग जो कह रहा है गुजरात दंगा मोदी का मेंटल पसुत का नहीं था, उसमें एंग्विश तो था ही। यदि रियलिटी में और ना होने का बात नहीं है, मिनिस्टर का वार्निंग हो जाएगा लोगों को, कई बोली इसमें पता नहीं चलेगा, कोई नहीं पाएगा, कोई शाइन नहीं पाएगा। ऐसा तो नहीं है जो प्रत्यक्षदर्शी ने देखा बोला, और ना भी हो उसमें कुछ तो मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग होगी, तभी इस तरह का एंग्वेज का होने का चांस रहता, तभी उनको रोकना था। लेकिन ये उस टाइम मुसलमान लोगों का टेररिज्म, फनाटिज्म, crime doing, different explosion at the exit that may be mediated by Arambagh born blue whale Hindu Satya Ghosh, Tukhoi, Tusoi, Tuhinov, Chudinov, Biddut, Bijon, Tikupol, Kya, Shubhodaya, Arunodaya, Chududaya, Sahaloy, Maloy, Olay, Saloy, Noloy, Dibbendu, Subrata, Singhara, etc. Culprit criminal SDA, Institute of Defense Studies, IDSA, Institute of Defense Strategic Analysis, जो चुदुर करता है वो क्रिमिनल सुब्रत सिंह और इसका फादर इज रेस्पॉन्सिबल टू डू क्राइम। वो नूनू कटा के हिंदू से भारत को गिराने की कोशिश करता है, आधा हिंदू आधा मुसलमान स्टाइल में। दे हैव डन रॉन्ग, सो देयर वाज ए टोटल मिसलीडिंग कंफ्यूजन, बट दैट व्हाट यू आर ब्लेमिंग अबाउट Narendra Modi, I am blaming his incapable, your integrity towards Hindu is soulless. As a Gaddar Ram Hokat, he allowed to be executed to choose the Ajit Doval criminal, executed Hindus, so many people. And his handled CA agitation. And CEO, I do not know what you are doing in that Nagarik issue. What barbarism Muslims people have done in the coming street in such a number, as if to do anarchies, and as that was Indian whole military people's crisis. How to deal if you come in this way at street with a fake cause. As a mere fake cause, you do not know that Pakistan has been created. You are not asking Pakistan to be merged with India. As more than Pakistani people, you are in India. But Bangladesh or Pakistan, you have kept as intact in the name of fake Allah. It's just like Shaitan you have made. Because you do not know who is Allah and from which name Allah is originated. You are only worshipping Satanism. Your Lord Ram and Ilah is first. Lord Shiva, Lord Ilah, Lord Rama is only premier preceptor, religious preceptor Nabi, except that earlier for Hindus come, as I have repeated. But this Narendra Modi, he has allowed executions of Hindu in the street. He knows dog is incapable to stop riot in Delhi. That is a administrative insufficiency what Mamata Banerjee is doing to killing more than 200 peoples in election power and raping or killing Gaussian when you are to ask in Konnashi Prokalpo. She is not Konnashi, are your Tinumul people on only Konnashi. It is not like that. Killing is killing, that you have to prove that who has, with multi-agency, the state foreign country, foreign state, and CBI, NIA, and your people, 3-4 investigation agency to decide who has killed and how he has been killed. So many matters are still undecided. So this is, I am taken granted that Narendra Modi is incapable. He has done a lot of crises in economy and security, defense, compromise with blue whale papers. But Mamata Banerjee she is also gone extremely wrong. Remain 5 years silent, that is in severe crime against humanity. She cannot be excused. Even her Gaddan will be taken. As I am committed the videos for last 5 years. If this blue whale 10,000 to 40,000 or 1 lakh to dare to feed the whole world people, and that matter you have not verified. You have brought that blue whale game related details, that what way from underneath or distance plays with. That so many blockbusters, Hindi film cinema is there, sex related inciting, naked women, then the videogram, kilogram included in this internet, and you are given internet access to mobile, etc. That will not create sex related crime doing youth and etc. If it one can be cursed with seeing this blue whale, what is horror? What kind of horror to do the suicide? Until physical inner torture, practical mind mesmerism and compulsion to do suicide, it is not a possible. So whatever you barbar crime producing, promoting, instigating, film are producing, you have done wrong in the name of politics. देश की समाज को इस तरह का बर्बर crime, criminalism. You have denied some people justice. You have not allowed that multi-agency, multi-people-based investigation. You have not allowed to speak other people. Even today, Mamata Banerjee is not allowing to speak. So many people are in fears. But in that way, Narendra Modi's administration is incapable, because they are not so envious, but they are incapable. And they are practically misled by blue whale criminals. So blue whale when is a mentor of Mamata Banerjee, Rahul Gandhi, or JD, Nitish Kumar, Mayawati, Akhilesh, etc. All these people, Akali, DMK, Karunanidhi, CPM, Comrade, Maowadis, they are mainly Maowadis, China supporters. So the people's what is called that Gaddar, Ram Gaddar. Narendra Modi has to go leave BJP party and on his own retirement from this, because he has done crime against humanity. अब गणहत्या के दाय बोल दोनों ममता बनर्जी and Narendra Modi को retirement मिला है politics. As you, I am not blaming Islam that doing agitation always. These two people instigated by the digital system from underneath of the Satya Ghosh, Shankar Ghosh, Sudhir Lal, Santosh, Sudarsana, जो भी हो, तुखय, तुकी, तुसोद, विद्युत, बिजन, घोष, विपद भंजन, समरभर, जो भी हो, गुंजन, एक्सट्रा, चुदुर्जन, सुब्रत सिंह, कैटरमेंट टेके, मधु चपरा के दल, चुदिर बुदिर, सारे मानवेंद्र अमर, एक्सेट्रा, सहलय, प्रलय, वलय, निर्भीक, चुदबेद, सुहरेर बाच्चा, सुखोदय, culprit, criminal, मोहित, सहित, सारे criminal, what you are doing now? Each and every day I have to complain that you are wrongdoing in Indian people's life. You are trying to click each and every way with so much prudence from underneath blue whale. This message is mainly to direct to send this message from this Indian surface to blue whale, outside surface. That Islam is also being misled. by this bomb. And Laden has not that capacity, that much English-speaking power or British connection that Indian are there. Ex-soldiers and so many 132 crore people, before than 100 crore. Pakistan is not much as a blame terrorism, etc., but that they are to dare to bombing, dropping on America unless that culprit blue whales were behind that. So all those what are doing crime, blue whale, Modi Chopra, Priyanka Chopra, why you have not asked and faced before me? Those people have faced me and you people faced me. And Supreme Court who left this blue whale case in haphazard manner, that all people, scientists, media, you have this blue whale related case. Climate, premature death issue, natural calamities. When I am repeating and telling down episodes and pandals, bridge collapsing, dam collapsing, avalanche, snow, hot and warm, wind choking, pollutant increasing, a lot of issues I have declared, snake bite, snake bringing, animal bringing from forest, except all the issues my that I have the legitimate that I have kept before you all. Because these people are doing some irritation about the blue whale. Day and day they are doing some wrong. Each and every people in the USA understand terrible uncertainty about their life. They are also to succumb and torture. An Indian person you cannot imagine. Both the surface peoples and land are so terrific condition to lose the life. As the America is not doubting this killing system of their flag identity, peoples for going from India, communist comrade Chaudhary, that criminal, they to claim technocrat, Koila Mafia, Ore Mafia, Copper Mafia, etc. Chudumarani, Shurer Bachas, what are doing, naming Indian identities where Indian IS, IPS, IFS, that ambassador office being used. 167 countries ambassador's office being misused by the blue whale people. That Mojit Singh, Subrata Singh, and Monatos, Paritos, Santos, etc., relatives, friends, ISIPS, what are doing with these people of Indian life and what Modi has done wrong and is trying to bankruptcy of the whole bank, that the bank people should not get. But in the Sarda case, Mamata Banerjee has compromised with the so many people's lives. You have not dared to listen me by blue whale. What fear from blue whale? Blue whale have left any body that they had not killed. Every family there, they have not killed any man from underneath premature, sudden, abnormal death. The so stitch accident, falling down, falling down. So those people are so wrong. तो फेल डाउन तो कर रहा है, देर कंट्रोलिंग फॉल डाउन जो भी है मेरा तुरंत जो है ना कंफ्यूज कर देता है, जैसे फ्यूजन के बारे में कंफ्यूज करा रखता है, वो ब्रेन को इस तरह का चोकिंग कराते हैं। और मेरा बात को आप जब सुनोगे चौधरी बात इस तरह का, चौधरी नंदन तो कभी किसी ने कहा नहीं तेरे को, ना विवेकानंद कहा था, ना इवन जैसे अरविंदो भी उनको देखिए सारी हिंदू वर्ड का नहीं किए, जिस उजागर से हिंदू का जो भी हो, इस्लाम, Allah from Ila, Ramallah the Ramallah, Rama the Ramjan is Lord Ram, etc. Al Qaeda, Al Shabaab, etc. from Horo, Omka, Mecca, Kabo, Kaba, etc. Jasodananda, Jesus Christ, Oko, Sharma, Oki, lekin he was not about much details about to give this name. In the first is Sindhu name has come first, Indus name come or Hindu name come first. That was make controversy unless Alexander has come that Indus or Indus river, Indus. So Hindu and Hindu, that is not a different word, but this Musliman to produce Fatima, Fatima. Khalifa. As the Mallo kingdom people are Kalipo, Tarapo. So they are also to call as a Kalipo, Tarapo, but they have to call as a Khalipo. So all those things I have declared, there is no confusion, difference, practically, historically. as per Indian Sanskrit, what is the whole world language, is sharing those languages, original words, root, originality, all words of European, Arabian countries from Sanskrit. China may be different, or even South Austrian language little bit different. Sometimes that may be related with China, but all related with Sanskrit, not other. Because Sanskrit words who are mainly Aryan countries use particular words who are in our Gita, Upanishad, Ramayana, Mahabharata, etc. Those Sanskrit related words are used by North India. But the South Indians use other Sanskrit words earlier, before that they come. But there is a modified word, because all people have come from 15, 20 people's generation. So all speaking related to Sanskrit. So all of that I have given, because this is a lot of crime doing against the humanity. Blue whale. So blue whale warning has to be taken, each and everybody, judicial, Supreme Court, Bipin Rawat, Steam, Air Force, Navy, military, CBI, police, CRPF, all body, institution, each and everybody. You have to say, तो कितना गंगा बहेंगी, कितना गला कटना पड़ेगा, कितना गंगा बहेगा. हिंदू, मुस्लिम, क्रिश्चियन का बात नहीं रहेगा. जो जो ब्लू व्हेल का सपोर्ट किए, सबका गला कटन किया है. नहीं, इन्होंने सब जो ब्लू व्हेल, हिंदू, मुसलमान, किसी को नहीं चढ़ा, डिफरेंशिएट नहीं किया. मैंने सबको मरते देखा, सबके डेड सोल के साथ ही लोग मजाक करते. एज मैं, आई एम रिप्रेजेंट द होल वर्ल्ड ह्यूमैनिटी, डेड सोल्स और सब living souls as a common God sent personality, and I have discovered, revived the modified, malified, forgotten history I have kept before you, but blue whale trying to mislead, to do other people, to do claim those history telling as if they are doing in their capacity. That is not true, because all those messages has come. My approach after 2007 or 4 onward, when I have tried to write in Bengali word, to first write this message to Bengali and Sanskrit, because that time I was not able to type Hindi. Then I to start this Hindi wording to deal my society's case, etc. And that's lot of time taking. Then gradually I pick up and learn that Baraho software is there, multi-language, it can be converted. And that has been blocked by the blue whale, Sudhu Maharani. And this magic digital editing, they are blocking my CCTV camera, whereas people do this. So I to keep this message, I to put again,